Om Swastiastu, halo Sobat Polri. Today we are with Marine Police of Bali Regional Police and we are going to do patrols in Bali Mandara Highway to maintain the security. Do you want to know more? Let's check it out.
Now we are on the boat of the Directorate of Marine Police and now we are with the officers called Brip Dewanda. So today we're gonna interview her regarding the role or the duty of this Directorate of Marine Police to support this presidency G20 in Bali.
Perkenalkan, nama saya Brip Dewanda Resta, penugasan di Ditpolairut Polda Bali. Nah, di mana peran Ditpolairut Polda Bali ini dalam event G20, Ditpolairut Polda Bali melakukan patroli di wilayah perairan Polda Bali sendiri. Ditpolairut Polda Bali patroli menggunakan RIB dan juga rubberboat, di mana patroli yang dilakukan itu untuk meminimalisir kegiatan nelayan agar tidak terjadi hal-hal yang kita tidak inginkan.
Okay, so that was information for today. Stay tuned on our social media. Recover together, recover stronger. Salam presisi.